So this is the view from outside the office in the UK. I'm going to read it. And you're looking there. So, hi, from Joe.
Hello, I'm Yannick.
Hello, I'm Lee.
And congratulations to the new office in the US and a lot of success and good business coming forward.
Congratulations, have a great day.
Bye.
Follow Ding from Luxinar China Shanghai office. Congratulations to Luxinar USA on the official opening day. Congratulations to John. Good luck and a big success is waiting for you.
Good morning, Luxinar USA.
Good morning, guys.
This is the German team from Rheinbeck, Luxinar GmbH. We're covering the region Middle Europe, which is the DACH region, the German-speaking region, as well as Benelux, Scandinavia, and Eastern Europe. I'm going to show you a little bit of our office and hope you also have a very nice location. All the best and successful business. Bye-bye.
Hello, good morning. Regards from Walter and Davide from Mespen. Today the first day. We hope to have a good luck with this exhibition. Hi. Let's go.
Hi, this is Patrick.
This is JP.
And this is Jamie from the Luxinar Korea office. Congratulations on your official open day, and we wish you great success in the States.
대박!